Hello my brothers and sisters, welcome back to another action-packed episode of Chris the Butcher and Friends. And tonight I have been in the Lidl. I'm going to Lidl because it's convenient. I pass it on my way home from work and I just fly in and pick up 100 quid's worth of shit I don't need. Right, but listen, right, speaking of work, it's been busy shit, it's been off. I have had a lot more work on, and I've basically been coming home, right? You asked Lou. I've been coming home, sitting on settee and having a fucking ball. So I've not been doing many recipes, I haven't been cooking much, so I've not been filming much. So I thought, keep it simple, keep it easy, and we'd have one of these. Brothers and sisters, I give to you Chris the Butcher's Supercool review. Yes, it's a pizza. But you guessed that from the title anyway, won't you? You know what I mean? It's not like I'm going to Supercool review. Guess what it is? It's a Trattoria Alfredo. I think I said that right. I don't know. You tell me. I can't speak Italian, I'm guessing. I don't know. Oven cooked ready for you in 18 minutes. Slice and share, right? That's basically 485 grams. Take away double pepperoni pizza with pepperoni and creamy mozzarella cheese on a stone-baked pizza base. Ingredients is, wait, milk! As well, it says here, little story. It's not a little story, it's just I fucking missed it. I'm not going to read it out now. Store-baked pizza base topped with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, smoked pork pepperoni slices, and smoked mini pork pepperoni. Right. Cooking instructions, always cook from frozen. If thawed, reduce cooking time. So you don't always have to cook it from frozen then. Always cook it from frozen, but if it's not, you just cook it for 18 minutes less. Right, yeah, it's produced in Ireland using EU pork. It's a disposable carton, widely recycled, film not yet recycled. It cost me £1.49, and it's not too bad, is it? It does not actually say what size it is. It's a 12-inch. It's a good 12 inches. Get out of the box, stick it up block before we put it in oven, and let's see what it looks like. Because I'm guessing now, it's not going to look fuck all like that. Well, there it is. It's my trusty pizza pan. And do you know what? These cheap frozen pizzas always lack cheese, don't they? Now, normally, if I weren't doing a Supercool review or anything like that, and I would just got one of these for, you know, for me little bit kids or what have you, I'd have to buy about 10 actually, because we're fat bastards. I'd put a fucking vast more cheese on there. Honestly, I'd have it that deep with fucking cheese. Because what's pizza without cheese? It's shit. That's what it is. And listen, look at it. I said, listen, look at it. What the fuck's that? It's like Ghostbusters, isn't it? Hey, listen, can you smell something? Right, there's not much cheese on there, is there? It's piss poor amount of cheese. But then again, what do you want for £1.49? I hear you say, yes, that's it. What do you want for £1.49? So, anyway, yeah. I think I've waffled on enough. Let's get this in the oven. 180 degrees, it says for 18 minutes, but that has slightly defrosted. So I'm going to put this in for 15 minutes, and that should do the trick. I will check it and get it out before it turns black. And I'll be up fucking right up fucking wall with it. So, 15 minutes, and I'll see you then. And 15 minutes has passed, my brothers and sisters. And here is our pizza. Now, it's not looking too bad, right? It really isn't. I probably could have done with an extra couple of minutes less. Let's cut this. Cut this with a professional pizza cutter hour. £3 from Tesco's about 10 years ago. Oh, fuck. Come on. Right, there we are, done. Sink for Lou to wash tomorrow. Let's have a quick shuffle at one of these pieces of pizza, yeah. Well, can you see it? It's not looking too bad, is it? £1.49, you know what I mean? You can't complain, can you? You know, it's took 15 minutes out of my fucking life to cook it, and probably take me about another 5 minutes to fucking eat it. But, what is it? We get that now, and slide that down our gizzard. There it is. Our pizza from Lidl, that cost me £1.49. Let's slide it down my gizzard. It's fucking hot. Keenan's playing Crash Bandicoot. You know what? £1.49, what do you fucking expect? It's actually pretty good, that. Like I said though, what would make that 10 times better is putting about £10 more cheese on it. So when you pick it up, it's fucking like that, because it's that heavy with cheese. The crust is really crispy. So we can, don't want to go too close to the camera, I don't want to frighten every fucking, do I? ASMR. Someone commented, right, the other week said, you know what, Chris, I love your videos, but I can't fucking stand the sounds you make when you eat. I said, we'll just fucking turn sound off then when I'm eating now. £1.49, fucking bargain. That tastes pretty good actually. £1.49 from the Lidl. Add a bit more cheese, it'd be spectacular. But as it was, it weren't too bad. You know what I mean? I've not lost anything. £1.49. I'd eat that myself with a pile of chips. But like I said, I'm a fat bastard. I liked it, right? If you like it, press like, comment, share in all your social media, and subscribe. And become a family member of #TeamCTB, where I fucking love you.